I'm trying to make this video real quick, probably like 5 minutes. But I said I wouldn't trade anymore, and I got back in. I had my big loss. Took about a week off from trading, and as I was like continuing to watch the markets every day, trying to like clear my mind, get a better understanding of why I keep making the same mistakes over and over again, being stubborn, taking major losses. Uh, Little by little, I started feeling like I'm ready to trade again. And every time I looked at the market, it just it didn't feel right to me. And I reloaded my account with some more funds, and I'm back over the PDT rule just by a little bit, and just by a little bit, like less than $100. And the stock that I'm watching, I was watching it a couple of days ago. Kind of forgot about it, but it had a big run. From November to December, being at $7, having this big spike, and then pull back and another big spike, and then a major dump right here. As you can see, recently they did a big offering. I already know this was an offering, a dilution of shares. As I was watching it here in the 15-minute chart, I couldn't tell which way the stock was going to go, whether it was going to spike up or come down. So my dumb ass, and I'm not dumb because I traded it. I'm dumb because I don't feel like I'm ready to trade. I'm uncomfortable, and the first thing I do is I long this stock right here. I don't know which. They didn't really know which way it was going to go, but the first thing I did, I was debating between short selling, and longing. But I'm like, the trend is telling me longing. Um, the trend is telling me that it's longing. Uh, it's gonna long, but if it can't break past this previous highest point of 71, then it's a short. So I longed it, and I immediately longed it with 300 shares, $20,000, way more than my risk. Chase this little perk up right here, and it pulled back. I was down over $400. Made big loss already because I failed to size in accordingly. I don't feel comfortable trading. I shouldn't be trading right now, and I'm still making these stupid mistakes of trading. It's like I don't learn my lesson. But I mean, I still came out with a $48 gain. But only the reason why I got out so fast is because I didn't want to take the risk of losing. Um, but now it's spiking even more. I don't regret exiting early. I actually regret getting into this trade period because I sized in too big, didn't cut losses. Because my biggest fear was I don't want to be under the PDT rule again, so I'm gonna quickly long it, sell it, and make a quick profit. But that was the completely wrong mindset, and I did it, and I'm really disappointed in myself. But one thing I am happy is the fact that I'm in the stock. There was a car accident. As soon as I got into the stock, there was a car accident. A car. I'm literally watching right now, looking out my window. A car ran into a house. There's people in the car, kids in the car. That's bad, but I didn't allow that to distract me. I did look to see if they were okay, and if I needed to call 911. But more importantly, I was able to not allow that to distract me and continue to focus on trading. The stock is still going up, but now it's pulling back a little bit. But overall, this was a horrible trade simply because I didn't size in accordingly and I didn't cut losses. I didn't even think about losing. All I thought about was making a quick profit, and that was the wrong mindset. I'm already back to the wrong mindset, and this is why I don't want to trade. I don't feel like I'm ready anymore, and until I can improve on cutting losses quickly, sizing in accordingly, I shouldn't be trading.